Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbi, a student of the Britseng Institute in a batch of 17th of a Pharma. Today I will tell you about the reproductive system. The reproductive system of an organism, the reproductive system also known as the genital system, is in the biological system. Reproductive system is the biological system which made up of all the anatomical organs involved in a sexual reproduction. Such many non-living organisms such as fluid, hormones, and pheromones are also important accessories of the organism living reproductive system. They are the unlike most organ systems, the sexes of differentiated species often have a significant differences. These differences allow for a combination of a genetic material between two individuals, which allows for the ability for a possibility for greater genetic fitness of the out offspring. The function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. Other system in the body such as the endocrine and urinary system, they are work continuously to maintain homeostasis for a survival of the individual. An individual may live long, healthy, and maintain homeostasis of survival of the homeostasis producing offspring. But the reproduction system, if the species to the continuous at least one individual must produce offspring. The function of the reproductive system for the four function. First of the to produce egg and sperm cells, then transport and sustain these cells, and to the developing the offspring, and the produce of hormones, and these function are divided between the primary and secondary or accessory reproductive organs. The female reproductive system is the two main type divided. First is primary sex organ, and second is the accessory sex organ. Then the primary sex organ is the sex organ is a pair of the ovaries, which is produced by the egg, and the accessory sex organs are divided into the two main types. First is the external gentile, and the second is the internal gentile. The primary reproductive organs or glands consist of the ovaries and testes. This organ are responsible for the producing the egg and sperm cells, gamete. The reproductive system developing by the sexual characteristics and regulation of the normal physiology. Then the reproductive system, all other reproductive duct and gland is a reproductive system are considered secondary or the accessory reproductive organs. This structure transport and sustain the gamete and the other developing offspring. The reproductive system is also known as the biological system.